What's up, internet marketers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Keywordshitter highlight keywords that have a significant search value. So check this video out in its entirety. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get on this page. To do that, you want to go to the Google Keywordshitter Chrome app. Let me pop it open. And you want to click update settings. Okay, now if you don't have your Keywordshitter Chrome app set up, there's going to be a video right up top here. Check that out. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your free Keywordshitter tool. Okay, so once you click update settings, you're going to be on this page, right? And you're going to see enable disable metrics. This is going to be enabled automatically by default. What you want to do here, this is going to be, all of this is going to be disabled, right? You're going to have this highlight color as green. This is also by default. You want to click enable for highlight volume. This is the number of searches a month for whatever keyword you're looking for. You're going to want to highlight maybe a keyword that gets a certain amount of searches a month. So I have it where if a keyword gets more than 500 searches a month, it gets highlighted green. Okay, so you just click this as enabled, and you put in the amount you want to be over, and then it'll highlight it as green. Once you do that, it's set up automatically. Now, if you go to Keywordshitter, now again, if you don't know how to use Keywordshitter and how to set it up, I'm gonna have a video up here. Make sure you check that out. Okay. So once you're on Keywordshitter, you just have to type in whatever keyword you want. Let's put in happy. Now, any keyword that's over 500 searches a month, or sorry, that gets over 500 searches a month, it's gonna be highlighted in green, as you can see, right? Everything here gets over 500 searches a month. Happy coupon Eon gets under 500, so it's not highlighted. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.